A single leg of ham worth over $4,000? Not just any pig can make that happen. Unless it's the Iberico pig, a jet black breed. Hailed as the living luxury brand of the culinary world. But have you ever wondered how they are raised? From eco-villas nestled in oak forests, these pigs are free-range. Raised under a carefully controlled diet until they reach peak condition. The magic begins when they pass through the factory gates.
Where cutting-edge technology meets time-honored craftsmanship. To create a true symphony of flavors.
From richly seasoned Chorizo sausages to the legendary Jamón Ibérico. Today, join us as we uncover the secrets behind this luxury and reveal why a single leg can command such an astonishing price.
All of that coming up in this video.
The Iberico pig is a native breed of the Iberian Peninsula. A sun-drenched land stretching across Spain and Portugal.
More than just livestock, these pigs are a culinary icon.
Deeply tied to the Dehesa oak forests and centuries-old tradition. Unlike industrial pigs, Iberico pork is renowned for its tenderness. Rich marbling, deep flavor, and high content of heart-healthy oleic acid. This is thanks to a natural, free-range lifestyle and a special diet, and the meticulous care of experienced farmers. Over time, these robust black pigs have become four-legged money machines, playing a starring role in a luxury food industry worth billions. A single premium leg of Jamón Ibérico can sell for thousands of dollars. Depending on the pig's purity, exclusive acorn diet, and years-long curing process. So if the culinary world had its own designer labels, would Jamón Ibérico be the Chanel, Gucci, or Hermes of food? It all begins in oak-filled pastures, where nature, humans, and time come together. To raise the finest Iberico pigs, the very soul of this legendary delicacy. Here, the journey of an Iberico pig begins even before birth. The sow carries her piglets for about 4 months before giving birth. to a healthy litter of 8 to 12 piglets. After birth, the piglets are exclusively nursed for the first 30 days. A crucial period that boosts their immune systems and helps them adjust. Once weaned, the piglets are separated from the mother and raised in groups. During this stage, they are fed a high-protein, energy-rich diet. As their bodies begin to grow stronger, they are moved outdoors, where they start to get acquainted with nature. In these open areas, they continue to receive industrial feed but also munch on vegetables. From banana stems and sweet potatoes to water spinach. True to the phrase, eating like a pig, they devour anything edible without the slightest fuss. With their bellies full, the pigs roll around in the dirt, soak in muddy puddles, and doze under the afternoon sun, as if indulging in a natural spa day. Right in the heart of the oak forest.
Once they're big enough, the pigs graduate from the barns
And step into a life of freedom among the oak forests. A crucial phase that defines the signature richness and flavor of Jamón Ibérico. Their main food source at this stage is acorns, but there's an interesting detail. Acorns grow on branches 4 to 6 meters high. Since pigs can't climb trees, how do they get them?
Farmers use long sticks to knock the acorns down, while the pigs eagerly wait below, ready to enjoy the acorn rain as it falls. But eating isn't all they do. The pigs must keep moving as they forage,
turning mealtime into a natural daily workout. This constant activity strengthens their legs and muscles,
creating firm, flavorful meat with beautiful marbled fat. The hallmark of Jamón Ibérico's worldwide reputation.
After around 14 to 18 months, once the pigs reach their ideal condition, they are taken into processing, to be turned into premium products, the most renowned of which is Jamón Ibérico. On the same day, they are transported to processing facilities where every step is carried out swiftly, yet with meticulous care and precision. The hind legs, the primary cut used for ham, are carefully trimmed with excess fat and skin removed. Other parts, such as the front shoulder, loin, and tenderloin, are deboned and separated for different uses,
including making sausages and cured meats.
Once sorted, the lean cuts are hung on large trays and moved to the sausage processing area. When made from Iberico pork, these sausages are known as Chorizo Iberico, a traditional Spanish delicacy. In the production process of Chorizo Ibérico, the pork is first finely ground, using high-capacity industrial machines. The evenly shredded meat is then transported along a conveyor belt and arranged into piles. Spices such as salt, paprika, and garlic are sprinkled directly onto each batch of meat,
which is then transferred to a large industrial mixer with rotating blades.
This mixing process ensures a uniform, flavorful blend where all ingredients are evenly incorporated. Next, the seasoned meat is moved to a specialized mixer where it is combined with Iberico pork fat and traditional spices, creating a rich, juicy texture and the signature bold flavor. The mixture is continuously blended for 1 to 2 hours until it reaches the perfect level of smoothness, elasticity, and consistency.
Cleaned pork casings are attached to an automatic stuffing machine where the meat mixture is pumped in at a consistent pressure, forming chorizo links with uniform length and diameter. Once stuffed, the sausages are hung on trays and moved into fermentation and curing chambers,
where the temperature is maintained between 12 and 16 degrees Celsius for a period of 4 to 12 weeks. During this stage, the sausages develop their signature aroma while the meat inside gradually firms up,
resulting in the perfect texture, fragrant, flavorful, and irresistibly rich.
Finally, the chorizo sausages are packaged and distributed to the market, typically priced at around $20 per piece.
Now let's dive into the process of creating the finest Jamón Ibérico. The pork legs are placed on a conveyor belt to begin the next stages of preparation. Here, skilled workers use sharp knives to carefully remove part of the skin and outer fat layer.
This step not only reshapes the leg, but also allows the salt to penetrate more evenly during the upcoming curing phase.
Every cut requires absolute precision. Even the slightest mistake could affect the final quality.
After this initial trimming, each leg is tagged with a unique barcode, allowing for full traceability and quality assurance. After preliminary processing, the pork legs are transferred to the salting area. Here, pure sea salt is evenly applied to each leg, either through an automated system or by hand.
With machines, the salt is distributed with precision.
In traditional methods, skilled artisans meticulously rub the salt by hand, adjusting to the unique shape of each leg. Regardless of the method used, the goal remains the same, for the salt to penetrate deeply, evenly, and appropriately,
forming the foundation for the harmonious, rich flavor of Jamón Ibérico.
Once the hams have been coated with salt, they are moved into a specialized pressing system equipped with pressure rollers.
Inside the machine, each ham is gently compressed between two conveyor belts and passed through a series of rollers, ensuring even pressure across the entire surface. This step helps the salt penetrate deeper into the layers of meat while maintaining the ham's uniform shape and structure.
Next, the hams are automatically transferred to the salting chamber, a cold room maintained at temperatures between 1 and 5 degrees Celsius. Here, pure sea salt continues to be evenly sprinkled over the surface, both to preserve the meat and to develop the distinctive flavor. The stable cold environment allows the salt to slowly and evenly diffuse into the meat, gradually drawing out moisture without damaging the protein structure.
Laying a solid foundation for the curing stages that follow.
Greens. The salting process typically lasts between 1 and 2 weeks, depending on the weight of each ham, and is carefully managed. Once completed, the Iberico hams move on to the cleaning stage in preparation for the final curing phase.